Yeah, hi guys. So Holy Lessons coming at you all. So this will be a quick one. So of course, as you saw, I simply play a popular song as the deer panted for the water, so my soul thirsts for you. So well, of course, you take your playing just like you saw. We progressed from basically to playing some really powerful um movement. So let's quickly get into it. So well, from here I simply played. Okay. So first of all, I'm the key of F major. So I have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Okay, so I simply, so that was a 3, 7. So that was a 7, 3, 6. Okay, so as the deer. Okay, so I have the E and the A flat on the left with the D, the G, and the C on the right. So as the deer. So I'm slurring from the F to the G flat, okay, to the G. So on the 3, I have the A and the G on the left with the D flat, the F, and the A to the 6. So on the 6, I simply play a 5 to the 6. Okay. So I'm simply slurring from the D to the E and back on the D and the F. Okay. And on the left, I have the D, the A, and the F. So, woo! Really beautiful stuff here.